In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF file. This is a simple yet crucial skill to master, especially if you need to share documents that maintain their formatting across different platforms. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word document that you need to convert. This could be any file you've been working on, whether it's a resume, a report, or perhaps a creative writing piece. Make sure that the document is finalized, as converting it into a PDF will make it harder to edit later on. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Word interface. There you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. The File menu is essentially your control center for managing files. You'll find many options here, but today our focus is on saving your document in a different format. After clicking the File tab, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for Save As and click on it. This action will prompt a window to appear. This window allows you to choose where you want to save your converted file. For this tutorial, let's choose the desktop. Picking the desktop or any other easy-to-access location will save you time when you need to retrieve your PDF after the conversion process is complete. If you're inclined towards better organization, feel free to select a specific folder that suits your needs. Just make sure you remember the location. Now, with the save location determined, look closely to find the option labeled Save as Type. This is your key to changing the format of your document. Click on this drop-down menu and a list of different file types will appear. Navigate through these options until you find PDF. Go ahead and select it. This step informs the program that you want to save your document as a PDF rather than a Word file. With the location chosen and the format set to PDF, it's time to finalize this conversion. Simply click the Save button. Your Word document will now be processed and converted into a PDF. Pay attention to any notifications or indicators that let you know the process is complete. Once the conversion has successfully taken place, you'll notice the new PDF file appear in your selected save location, such as your desktop. Congratulations, you've done it. Now, your document is ready to share, ensuring that it looks just as you intended on any device or platform. And that's it. You've converted your Word document into a PDF. This simple process ensures that your documents remain beautifully formatted and are accessible across different operating systems without losing any formatting. Thank you for watching and happy converting.